Hey guys, welcome to another video. Today I'm going to show you how to find saved passwords on iPhone. So let's begin. Now in iOS there is a dedicated passwords app which you can use to access your passwords. So as you can see, if I go here, I will be able to see my all passwords, passkeys, my Wi-Fi passwords, and the passwords that are in security risk. So if I go here, you'll be able to see that all passwords are saved here. However, if you are not finding the passwords application, you can simply scroll to the right side of your iPhone and in App Library, go to the search option. In search option, type down password and then you will find the passwords application. However, if you still don't find it, that means it's somehow removed from your iPhone. No worries, you can always download the application. Just simply go to the App Store and in App Store, click on the search right over here. Then go to the search bar, type down password, and then you will find the passwords application. Since I already have it downloaded, I can now easily open the application. So guys, that's how you can find saved passwords on your iPhone. If you found this video helpful, please leave a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more helpful videos like these.